welcome to another recipe. Let's see what we're cooking today. If you enjoy our cooking, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon notification button. Here's a list of ingredients we will need for today's recipe. We'll begin by taking our oil, adding it to our pan. Set our flame to medium-high. Put in our ginger and garlic paste. Give that a quick little mix. We'll go in with our onions. What I've done with the onions is I've pureed them, so they are quite of a wet texture. Need to cook them, get a light brown color on them. We really want to get the moisture out of them. We'll keep moving them around till the moisture is evaporated, just like that. Got a nice light brown color on them, and they are quite dry now. So we can go in with our tomatoes. With the tomatoes as well, I've taken the skin off and then I've pureed them. Mix those in. Make sure they all combine together. I'm going to keep stirring it around. I want it to stick to the bottom of the pan. Go in with our mixed masala. You can use the ready-made masala, which is called Garam Masala, instead of making your own. Mix that in. Our red chilli flakes, they go in next. Mix those in as well. Now we go in with our Zeera or cumin. Salt to taste. About a quarter cup of water. Cover it up, leave it to simmer for 10 minutes. Now, as you can see, it's all combined together. We'll add in a tablespoon of yogurt. Give that a good mix. Now we'll add our lamb chops. What I've done with the lamb chops is I've boiled them with a bit of salt. I boiled them to the point where they are cooked. I've kept the broth. What you do with the broth is you reduce it down. You reduce the broth down enough so it becomes about a cup and a half, because we are going to be using that later on in this recipe. Right, it's all mixed in now. What we'll do is we'll go in with another tablespoon of yogurt. Give that a good mix. Make sure it's all mixed in well. Now we'll add in our final tablespoon of yogurt. Mix it in. We keep stirring it around. We don't want it to stick to the bottom of the pan. That's just a little bit of water. About a quarter of a cup again. Mix it around. Now we'll go in with just a splash of water, say even less than a quarter of a cup. Give that a little mix. Cover it up, leave it for 15 minutes. Take the lid off. We keep stirring it because we don't want it to stick to the bottom of the pan. That's our Garam Masala. Another quarter cup of water. Keep the flame on high. Now we'll add our broth in. We'll add half of the broth. Mix it up. And then the rest of it goes in. So in total it's 1.5 cup. Cover it up. Leave it to simmer for about 20 minutes. You can see the oils come to the top. That's the point when we know it's ready. So we can just see the consistency of this. It seems a bit runny at the moment, but we are going to keep the flame on high and add in our sour plums. So while we're doing all of this, the broth is going to reduce down. The sauce is going to thicken. Add our green chilies. These are optional. Bit of fresh coriander. See, the sauce is now thickened. And that's it. It's ready. So what we'll do is we'll serve it up into a dish. Let's plate it up. Put in a nice dish. You can serve this with naan, rice, roti. It does go very well with naan. I personally like it with naan. We're just going to add it in. That's it, the dish is ready. Please try it out. Let us know in the comment section how you got on with it. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching.